What up YouTubers, Shiny D's in the house. It's a really nice day today, which makes a change because it's been absolutely minging lately. And I've just got Kevin the tranny out. So I've not took it for its first voyage since I've done the banded wheels. So I thought I'd take it out for a little trip. And then see how it goes. I mean, alt tyres are staying up nice, and I think they look pretty good myself, especially out in the sunshine. So yeah, it's pretty much done now, isn't it? Everything's done inside, as you well know. I've got my bed in the back there. Just open the back doors. So yeah, bed's down at the minute. Obviously that folds up. I've got these just to put on the side windows at the front, and then that one to put on the windscreen. I had to extend it a bit because they didn't have any for Mk1 and Mk2 Transits. So that sorts the curtain arrangement out. And I've got a blind here in the back. So that just rolls down on the back windows and it just clips in there. I'll show you that now. Yeah, I just roll down like that. In the door there, take the slack up, and that's the rear sorted. And then obviously all this lot folds up, so I've got my cushions there and my mattress, so they'll all fold up together then. So yeah, it's not too bad. And I've got my boxes, like I say. But obviously I'm going to have to take them out because I'm going to get my 8x4 sheets on the floor. Just going to take these two boxes out. I mean, I've just put some clips on them. So that's it, they come out like that. Just got a little slot mechanism in the bottom there. And then the front one, got the clip on the side there, so that comes out. So I'll take them out, and then got enough floor area for my 8x4 sheets. So I think I'm going to have a trip to Wicks or B&Q, and then get the sheets in the back and test drive it as well. So that's the boxes out. So yeah, just be able to slide 8x4 sheets in there. Job's a good one. Right then, we're off, mate. See how we get on. Kevin the tranny. Go down the bumpy road first. Hey! Kevin's out and about. So far, so good, mate. Nice bit of sunshine. Local postman. Keep forgetting I've got to start off in second on this because the gear ratios. Camera. See what's happening behind me. Well, wheels feel alright. No wobbles or shakes or anything. Not too bad that. Well chuffed with them. Happy days, mate. Well chuffed with that. Working a treat. No wobbles or shakes or anything. heading for? We're here. Go, mate. Yeah, go for it, mate. It's the first voyage out. The first voyage out, mate.
Is it?
Yeah, since I've done wheels and that. Nice one, mate. See you in a bit. See you later. Cheers. I'm chuffed with that. Drove absolutely mint. So, go and get some 8x4 sheets of board from Wicks. My price of 3x2 now, £4.75, mate. That'll do, 11mm, get a few sheets of that. So 11mm OSB is now 28 quid a sheet, mate. Look at that. More than 100 quid for them four. So I've got them. So we'll see if they fit now. Central locking's working alright. Anyway, let's get him chucked in back. These are 8x4s as well, these. Look at that, could have been made for it. That is a full 8x4 sheet, that. None of your 1200 by 2400s. They only just fit, but they fit. And that is what counts. Few screws and one of them. Hey! Shut them down there. Happy days, mate. Look at that. Absolutely perfect, mate. I'll take my trolley back. Well, they're in and they fit absolutely perfectly. So, I'm chuffed with that. So, head on back to the ranch now, I think. Belting, mate. Absolutely belting. Way out, kind man. And we're away. Oiling out here. Woo! Super van! Hey, hey, hey! Back down Lankiel again. Well, feels absolutely perfect. That's smooth. Well, chuffed with them wheels. Alright, that. In the sunshine. Belting, mate. I put some tunes on, but you know how it is with YouTube and that. Put your stop port again. Woo! Off-grid market again, I think. like it's still a Mk1 tranny. This man over. Come on, mate. Everyone's liking tranny. Hey! Old school motors, everyone loves them, don't they? Might do something with that air filter. It's a bit noisy with just a cone filter on it. Might put an air box on it. Again. Getting used to the gears now. Having to start in second and using fifth and sixth all the time. Not too bad, just not the best on the motorway, but it'll be alright. Don't want to be ragging it too much on motorway anyway. But yeah, chuffed with it. Could even use it as a daily. Right, distracting it though. We're back. Well, it's buzzing that. Well chuffed with that. Drove mint that. In the sunshine. But yeah, well chuffed. 8x4 sheets fit perfect. So yeah, I'll get them unloaded. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Just a little bit of a test drive and that. And make sure everything's hunky-dory. But yeah, well chuffed with her. She's a little belter. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.